Hi, everybody. This is Tyler Danzel for AEP 855 Educational Leadership. This is Module 1, my introductory video. So I am a 7th grade computer and yearbook instructor at Derby Middle School. I am actually also out of school today. It is Tuesday, January 16th, and due to dangerously low wind chills, we did not have to go to school today. I'm also the 7th grade boys basketball coach, and I'm a part of our building leadership team. This is my 15th year in education, but my third at Derby Middle School. I've also taught at Derby High School, Goddard High School, Norwich High School, and Andale High School. So I've been several places. I earned my bachelor's degree from Kansas State University in 2002, and I earned a master's degree in sport management from Wichita State in 2009. I've been married to my wife Sarah for 15 years. She is also a middle school teacher in the Renwick School District, and we have a son Will who's 5 and a daughter Nora who is 1. So the most influential people in my life, I couldn't narrow it down to just one person. First of all, my parents probably rank at the top of the list. My mother is maybe the most loving and caring person that I've ever known, and my father is the hardest working person I've ever known. So they both were very, very influential in my life. In my education career, I'll go with a principal that I worked for. His name was Lanny Hauer. He hired me at Norwich High School. He related so well to everybody that he worked with, and he also showed me the importance of being honest, because when he hired me in my interview, I actually told him that I wasn't sure how much longer I might be in education. I was kind of going through a rough patch, and I just didn't know if this is what I wanted to do. And he hired me anyway, and it was a wonderful time that I spent there. My personality test, for the most part, I agreed with its findings. I am very agreeable, very friendly and optimistic. I'm very conscientious, very detail oriented. Um, so I felt that the two things that I ranked highest in are definitely traits of my personality. I'm also, for the most part, extroverted. I like to, or I'm comfortable in groups and being a leader of a group, but I also enjoy my time at home alone. So I agreed with that. However, I thought my emotional stability score was a little low. I feel like I'm pretty calm and patient. And the intellect and imagination, it basically said that um, for the most part, I stick to a schedule. I'm very conventional, and I would agree with that. But I feel like I have a good imagination when it comes to solving problems. So, democratic leadership theory, I really believe in. I believe it's important to get input from subordinates so that you can create buy-in and empower them. I do understand that it takes some time, but I feel like it's a good leadership theory. I also like the situational leadership theory. Allows you to be flexible in any situation. Um, one style may be needed for a certain situation, but in a different situation, you may need to adapt to another leadership style. And that's the end of my presentation. I'm looking forward to getting to know everybody. Have a good day.